Barbara. Barbara, calling all staff for 1 p.m. We just landed the crane construction contract.
Right away, Bill.
You know, the manufacturing industry is ready to take off. And with bent-up customer demand, companies like ours should be raring to go. But unfortunately, we're dealing with supply chain bottlenecks, staffing shortages, and a higher tax burden. This could derail an operation like ours. Hey, Amber, we just got confirmation from Crane Construction for the 25 twin head benders. This could be a real game changer for us. We've got to staff up.
I get it, we need the people, but it's kind of impossible to find talent right now.
Have you heard of the NAM and its Workforce Development and Education Partner Organization, the Manufacturing Institute? Check out their staffing solutions.
We have got to get this line moving quicker. Did you hear? Crane Construction just ordered 25 twin head benders. We've got to figure something out. You have got to be kidding me.
What's wrong, boss?
Source materials just pulled out. Looks like they can't provide our raw materials anymore.
A massive tax and spend platform, a $2.3 trillion infrastructure plan.
Paying for the proposal means raising the corporate tax rate.
The corporate tax rate of 25%.
If these new tax hikes come to pass, we will never be able to afford that new building on Granville.
We need to figure out how to scale, how to handle our new crane construction contract.
Sorry to pile on. Source material just emailed, said they can't provide our raw nickel anymore. We have to find a new supplier.
Obviously, today isn't going as planned. We land a huge new contract and we're excited to scale, but we're afraid we can't fulfill our order. Due to staffing shortages, lagging technologies, supply chain bottlenecks, and regulatory burdens, it all seems like headwinds that we can't handle alone.
Hey, Bill.
Let me guess. A problem.
I guess you could say that. I just got word that some activist group is trying to sue us to block our expansion project. I guess we got no other choice than to go to court.
Just to clarify, we do have the application permit, correct?
Absolutely, yes. I think they're figuring that the litigation will derail us.
It's time to get in touch with NAM's Legal Center. Get in touch with Erica. I'll give you the contact information.
You bet.
Did you see that the SEC approved new climate reporting standards for publicly traded companies? It passed 3-1.
Nope, didn't see that.
This stuff matters. Can you imagine the potential reporting burden?
This will do.
Where do they all come from?
Well, the work of the Manufacturing Institute really helped. Their FAME, Women Make America, and Creators Wanted program develop a large pool of skilled talent for all manufacturers. Oh, and I almost forgot. Heroes Make America, which helps transition veterans into the manufacturing industry. The MI's expert team provided the needed resources on how to improve recruitment. Nice to meet you, Kathleen. So I hope that you had a good ride in.
Yes.
You can have the product here by next Tuesday? Unreal. This is great news. Hey, Bill. Have you heard of the NAM? They have this marketplace. It's amazing, an entire database of suppliers.
NAM? Check this out.
Seems like the NAM has some real pull and influence. They're everywhere. I mean, the White House?
Thanks to the NAM, as of today, we are able to offer a new 401k program.
Checked your email lately? The NAM has agreed to sign on to the litigation. This changes everything.
With NAM, you never have to go at it alone. Their expertise and insight is unmatched. From advocacy to legal action, operational excellence, and workforce development, NAM has your back. They're a trusted advisor, a member of the team.
I'm so sorry, Bill.
And with NAM's news and insights, you never miss an industry headline.